say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hands, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you, see you, see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take your hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But still you beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you, see you, see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. Never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. When you're done, I'll make you do it all again. Okay.
Hey, buddy boy. Happy birthday. Love you. Big number 7.
We love you. We're so happy you're our kid, and you are 7 years old now.
And we hope this doesn't embarrass you.
Sorry. Love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
7th birthday, Nolan. This is Graham's. I'm at my friend Diane's house. She's videoing me. Happy birthday. I hope you have fun at your party. I wore my Star Wars shirt for you and party hat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sweet Nolan. Happy birthday to you. Love you.
And many more.
Buddy, it's us. We just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. You're 7 years old now. 9 more years, you'll be driving. Think about that.
We love you, handsome. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nolan!
Happy 7th birthday, Nolan.
Emotionless birthday parties. Boring birthday parties. Boring game trucks. Loveless birthday parties. Average game truck parties are a virus. But gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Gamer versus gamer. We look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real Gamer vs. Gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer versus Gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.